Yeah, big up the diaspora, them people of Canada, London, New York. Echo on the road news, safe for YouTube. Massive firearm seizure raises alarm. Mass alive, me go and say 2 to 3 guns them find in a Kingston warehouse. Enough for arm a small army. Authorities uncovered 2 to 3 rifles and handguns plus 40,000 rounds hidden in a water heater. Largest haul in Jamaica's history. This shocks the country, raising fears about ongoing gun trafficking, largely traced back to the US, and threatens public safety. The Guardian and come. See this, we can't chance it. The big boss them a do a press conference, but we need to hear the picnic on the corner to how them reach a heap weapons. So fix up the borders. Praise for the Father. 3% drop in murders is real, and with US reclassification easing travel warnings, it's good. But this arms cash shows the war not done yet. The Guardian don't come. 2 diaspora is coming home, but we need them to build. Recent data shows nearly 1,000 Jamaicans voluntarily returned from the US, UK, Canada, up sharply from previous years. Caribbean National Weekly will come. Echoes vibe. You to know pre-things. Diaspora return, but return easy only say. If you mean business, bring back skills, AI, cyber security, invest. Ready to come. Jamaica, Gleaner, no come. Government's mess return with a good mind, else Jano. So Jamaicans abroad are eyeing real change here. But to make it stick, they need support. Businesses to invest in, less red tape. Opportunities, not hype. 3 Republic talk stall, diaspora pressing. Jamaica is still pushing for Republic status, but political gridlock has stalled progress. Diaspora members, especially in New York and Miami, are agitating hard. Jamaica Gilna, .com. Caribbean National Weekly, .com. Echoes 2 cents. Politics them a play chess while migration talk around diaspora brethren and sister one summit for make the democracy. Them tired of royal flush. People abroad say becoming a republic is deeper than paper. It's identity and respect. Fine putting it together. Echoes 3D smart summary story. Why it matter? Echoes warning gun, see security at home could spark violence. Can't just hype up, protect the road. Return his brain and money flowing back. Investments, not just remittance. Building, Republic push identity, sovereignty, and diaspora voice. You belong, you vote, your future. Make it real. We can sign off. Me no want ban, me want talk truth, but say less nice. More action, Jamaica needs security. Smart return picks and true representation. The nation a call on one. Echo I tell you. Me upon the road for so I go on.